Have you ever been stuck in a situation where you needed to send or receive money internationally, but the traditional banking system just felt too slow and cumbersome? Maybe you were working abroad for a while, or perhaps you have family living in another country. Whatever the reason, if you've ever dealt with international money transfers, you know it can be a frustrating experience. Enter Monese, a challenger bank that promises to make international banking a breeze. But with so many fintech companies popping up these days, a big question arises: who exactly is behind Monese, and can you trust them with your hard-earned money? That's what we'll be diving into today. We'll explore the ownership structure of Monese, take a peek at the company's founders and their vision, and ultimately help you decide whether Monese is the right fit for your international banking needs. So, buckle up and get ready to learn all about the minds behind this innovative fintech company. The Monese masterminds, Norris and Barron. Monese's story starts in 2015 with a chance encounter between two individuals with very different backgrounds, but a shared vision for a more inclusive and accessible financial system. Norris Koppel, a serial entrepreneur from Estonia with a background in IT security, met Noah Barron, a British investment banker with a passion for emerging markets. Norris, having experienced the limitations of traditional banking firsthand while living abroad, was determined to create a solution that would make international finance easier and more transparent. Noah, on the other hand, saw a huge opportunity to reach the millions of people around the world who were underserved by existing financial institutions. Together, they combined their expertise to form Monese, a digital bank built specifically for a globalized world. Their core belief? That everyone, regardless of their background or location, should have access to a simple and efficient way to manage their money internationally. From humble beginnings to global expansion. Monese started small, initially focusing on offering mobile banking services to migrants and expatriates across Europe. However, their user-friendly platform and competitive exchange rates quickly garnered them a loyal following. With each successful funding round, Monese expanded its offerings and its reach. Today, the company boasts millions of customers across Europe, the United States, and beyond. They offer a wide range of features, including mobile banking apps, international money transfers, debit cards, and bill payments. But who actually owns Monese? Unlike traditional banks with a single owner or a small group of shareholders, Monese is a private company owned by a combination of venture capitalists and angel investors. These investors are essentially individuals or firms who provide financial backing to promising startups. Some of Monese's notable investors include PayPal co-founder Max Levchin's venture capital firm, DST Global, and the European Investment Bank. This mix of financial backing allows Monese to remain independent and focus on its core mission of making international banking accessible for everyone. The future of Monese: innovation and expansion. Looking ahead, Monese shows no signs of slowing down. The company is constantly innovating and developing new features to meet the evolving needs of its customers. They're also actively expanding into new markets, aiming to become a truly global financial services provider. So, should you bank with Monese? The decision ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you frequently make international transfers, travel often, or live abroad, Monese could be a great option for you. Their user-friendly platform, competitive rates, and focus on international finance make them a strong contender in the challenger bank space. However, it's important to remember that Monese is still a relatively young company compared to traditional banks. While they offer a variety of features, they might not have all the bells and whistles you're used to from a traditional bank. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and see if Monese aligns with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and in control of your finances.